Thanks for coming to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nektar Therapeutics. Now this stock, as I am recording this video, is already down by 60%. So this is the problem I see in therapeutics and biotech stocks, where it is heavily dependent on news and an analyst can make a big move of 40, 50 or 60% on both the sides. So we have what we have in this particular trend. Now, why the hell I'm looking at this stock? This is a big question, because if you're looking at the overall trend, and as I'm looking the monthly chart, we have the big chart and the stock is heading towards the lowest end of the range. Now, whether it will turn out to be an opportunity or a threat, that's what we are going to discuss as far as the stock chart of Nektar Therapeutics is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what we're gonna have here is something like this. Let me show it to you. So these are your two most important levels on the downside, and we are not very far away from this level. So let me show it to you. So what do we have here? So this is the lowest end of the range, and the stock, as you can see, has fallen quite drastically on the downside. So the next couple of support we have here will be 4.28, 3.86, below which we have 2.68, and the stop loss that we're going to look at will be $2.50. Now the surprise factor would be if the stock sustains either in between 3.86 and 4.28, or in between 2.5 and 2.68. In both the cases, it will be called as a support that is holding, or that will particularly hold. And if this is happening on the longer term time frame, then the risk reward is very good. And generally from these kind of levels, when the stock is actually factored in almost all the negatives, because the stock made a high of $107 and right now it's trading at $4. So from the highs that it has almost lost 96%. So I don't think that there is anything left after 96%. So it is already, the stock has already been beaten down with black and blue, and it's already fallen apart. So if there is anything which is left above 2.5 or in between 2.5 and 4.28 is definitely going to be an upside. Obviously, if the stock falls below 2.5, we must not hold any position below 2.5. That's a fact. But the kind of stock chart it is, it's fair to look for a probability of a bounce back, and which is a very genuine case if you are looking at this particular price. So what do we have here? If there is a bounce back in the long term, we have 16, we have 19, and we have $23. But as this trend suggests, the upper end of the range, or the big target we have here, will obviously be $62. So this is how the overall trend looks like, and we are at the lowest end of the range, and that's why it is opportune time to talk about the bounce back rather than talk about what's going to happen after $2.5. So obviously 2.5 is your stop loss, but the stock, or the way the stock has fallen, is definitely giving you an opportunity. But do your own analysis before doing anything else, or putting even a single dollar in this particular or any particular stock for the time being. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.